This is Moladil. Today I'm talking about wireless earbuds from Naneka. Since I have already had the chance to try Naneka devices, the packaging was not disappointed in this case as well. If you already miss runner Tiber bone conduction headphone or runner collar bone conduction headphone, then you can find the video links in the video description. Let's do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. The Lite Pro from Naenka is built like an AirPod, but it's not as sleek no matter what color you choose. Despite being black, the earphones had a blend design that does not stand out in any significant way. There is a mic in the front and another mic in the back of each earphone. The front microphone is to take phone calls and another mic to remove ambient noise from the conversation. On this true wireless device, there is no noise cancelling function. As a result, the ENC is solely responsible for clearing telephone calls. These earbuds look like lower grade plastic due to the visible seams on the edges. They feel the same way when holding the earphones and when wearing them as well. A 13mm dynamic speaker driver is supported by the Lite Pro, which is surprising. For this price range, this is considered substantial, and I would never have thought this type of earbud would include such a driver. This design offers a more open sound field along with the detailed frequency response according to Naneka. Naenka Lite Pro looks very similar to Apple AirPods, especially from the inside. Do you agree? As a side note, Naenka earbuds are available in black and white. It can be seen that I have an option in black. Each earphone contains a Qualcomm 3040 chipset which supports Bluetooth 5.2 for a strong connection. As I listened to the Lite Pro, there was no dropout, so I had a stable connection most of the time. This device features AAC and aptX HD codecs for a high resolution and faster transmission speed. The next step is to discuss control functions. You will not be surprised to learn that you can change the volume by tapping on the left earbud and increasing it by tapping on the right earbud. Volume can be increased and decreased very accurately with its response. When you double tap on any earbud, the music or video can be played or paused. When music is playing, we can double tap on the right earbud to play and pause the music. We can even double tap on the left earbud to play and pause the music. The right earbud should be pressed for 2 to 3 seconds for the next track, and the left earbud should be pressed for 2 to 3 seconds for the previous track. With Naenka Lite Pro earbuds, you can listen music up to 7 hours thanks to Qualcomm chipset and its lower power consumption. It is advantageous to use earbuds with the semi-in-ear design. An advantage of these earbuds is that they don't feel like they are in your ears. Due to the fact that they don't put pressure on your ears, you can listen to music for a longer period of time without experiencing any discomfort or wear them without playing music. In addition, the earbuds are extremely lightweight. There is only a 4 gram weight difference between each earphone. As a result, the earbuds are very comfortable to wear. I have tested several earbuds in the past, but Naenka Lite Pro has the best balance of sound among them. The bass is good, the vocals are clear, and the mid-range is good. If you are looking for budget wireless earbuds, then Naenka Lite Pro is a good choice for you because it offers good sound quality, 7 hours of battery life, and decent build quality. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are looking for bone conduction headphone with the built-in memory, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.